Introducing the new ESC2 Procedure Chair's most popular accessories. The ESC2 offers some of the most exciting accessories and advanced technology available today, allowing for multiple procedures from treatment to recovery rooms. Contoured head pads when you need the extra support and for comfort. The standard height full U wrist rest aids in stabilization of the hands. Tall full U wrist rest and dual arm are also available for purchase. Easy to adjust. The hand pendant puts all chair functions at your fingertips. Brake, steer, height, and positioning presets are located on the easy-to-understand pendant. The pendant can be attached to the IV holder to keep it out of the way or use at eye level. The pendant holder can also be used with the monitor IV pole. The folding side table is designed to fold away and can be put away during procedures as needed. Upper shoulder supports provide patient support and comfort for patients. Shoulder supports can be easily stowed away or removed when not in use. The foot switch allows the user to raise and lower the unit without the use of hands. Foot end push handles are designed for increased staff safety. These can be removed when not in use. The O2 tank holder is designed to safely store O2 tanks off the procedure field. The ESC2 is the most versatile procedure chair on the market today, built today for tomorrow. Contact your Hausted representative to see how the ESC2 can streamline your caseload and transform your OR.